And if you've been playing guitar for over 30 days and you still can't play a song, you're doing something wrong. But don't worry about that. I'm here to help you out and get it fixed for you. I've helped countless beginners over the last 10 years to go from struggling to play their very first chord to strumming along to their favorite song in 60 minutes or less. Today I'm going to show you the exact steps to help you get there too. So what's the secret to making this breakthrough? In this video, I'll break down why many beginners get stuck, show you how to avoid all the common mistakes, and I'll even share how Bobby, one of my students, went from being totally frustrated to playing a full song on his own and with a huge smile on his face. And if you stick around to the end, I'm going to show you how you can get going, starting strumming with confidence and get all the support you need. First, let's talk about why this is so important to get you going on your guitar journey. Learning how to play your first song is a milestone to keep you motivated, to build your confidence, and to keep you moving forward. And if you're not playing songs yet, you're missing out on the fun and satisfaction that comes from feeling that progress. The sooner you start playing along with the song, the sooner you'll see that you can actually do this and have fun in your guitar journey. So why does this matter to you? Well, it's simple. Imagine playing along with your first song in 60 minutes. There's no frustration, it's just pure enjoyment. But first, I want to share with you, it wasn't always this way for me in getting the students' results, and this is what happened. So when I started teaching guitar, I done the usual guitar teacher thing. I just taught people how I was taught, all right? But I was teaching adults, not kids. So what I was showing there was your typical open chords, your scales, teaching them music theory, all which make no difference to them because they struggled, especially with the chord changes for these open chords. And so many quit within 3 months. And honestly, I can't blame them because I was frustrated. I wasn't getting them the results that they were paying me to do. But then I discovered these simple shapes. I call them easy change shapes, and it changed everything, just like it did for my student Bobby. Because Bobby was one of the rare ones that stuck with me in those early days. And then when I switched over to these easy change shapes, it was massive for him. He was struggling to play these songs, very frustrated, but to his credit, kept coming back. And then when I shared these G's, C's, and D's and E minor shapes, hey, the light bulb went on, the smile on his face was huge because he can finally play one of his favorite songs, which is the Pogues' Dirty Old Town. If you're watching and thinking that it sounds exactly like what you want, well, this video is definitely for you. So in a nutshell, this video is for adult beginners who want to just sit around and play songs for fun, whether that's around the campfire, at a party, or you're just chilling at home. If that sounds like you, you are in the right place. So how do I take a day one beginner from not knowing a single chord to playing a full song in 60 minutes or less? Well, it starts with these easy change chord shapes. I just get you to put your first 2 fingers on the top 2 strings there at fret 3, all right, fingers 3 and 4, and then put your second finger up here on string 6, just strum it through, and that's a G chord or G shape. Then I show you 3 other shapes that I get you just to play back and forth between at your own pace, and just so you can get fingers used to moving around. Right now, the good thing is these 2 fingers don't move throughout the whole 4 shapes, and the other good thing is it's 1 finger each time to get you going. So once you're comfortable with changing them, I then start putting it into more of a music setting. All right, so we take the G shape here, and I just go get you to strum on beat 1 while counting out to 4. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we go to the E minor shape and do that for 2 lots of 4. All right, so the whole thing here: 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then what I do is we add the C chord, and we're going to strum that once, count to 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, before we move into the D shape and strum that once and play that for 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we got G and the E minor for 2 lots of 4, the C and the D for 1 lot of 4 each. All right, and I just get them to do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And generally we have to go through that 4, 5, 6 times. It doesn't really matter. Some people pick it up quick, others maybe like you need a little bit more time, and that's perfectly fine. But like no more than like 10 minutes is needed just to do that. Then when you're comfortable with those 4, what I do is throw on another G chord for another 2 lots of 4 after that. So after the D, we just go back to the starting chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then we just play all that through. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, you may have guessed that this is a version of Stand By Me. Okay, but it is in its very basic form, because you as a beginner cannot play exactly like it is to the record. All right, you just don't have the skills yet, but we can get you into the game of playing songs on day 1 in under 60 minutes or less. All right, so the next step with this, once you're comfortable with that first step, is adding a strum on every beat or on the pulse. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so no more than about 10 minutes on that. And then from there, what I get them to do is move it, just keep following that through, cycling that, because that is how Stand By Me goes. So it's a really good one just to get in and get going quickly. So I work on that for another 10, 15 minutes where they can just play that, say 3 or 4 times through, and it starts to sound a song, like the song I should say. I may sing along, I may not. So when the night has come, land is dark, and the moon is the only light you see. Alright? And we just go through that several times playing that. And they're having fun, as you will too, because you can see that this is really achievable. We're not putting big chord shapes that take a lot of accuracy to get. We're not doing anything fancy over here. But a lot of people ask me, why do you start off on these chords? Well, 1, they're easy. 2, they don't require any crazy stretches or finger gymnastics to change between. And 3, the most important, it allows us to start working on this as we progress through different songs. Okay, so keeping this side easy, we can start developing different patterns over here. Okay, or there's many that we can do, and we get into playing songs really, really quickly. The other added benefit of these easy change chords, because we keep things really simple on this hand and we develop this hand, we can put a capo on and start moving these shapes around in different orders. All right, so we could do Wagon Wheel by Bob Dylan and Darius Rucker. Maybe we want to look at a John Mellencamp song. the Dobie Gray classic. Drift to it. Day after day I'm more confused. Look for the light in the pouring rain. Alright, it's all coming from this part. Great song to play, which is really fun. Everybody loves Tom Petty. That gives away from playing the tricky open shapes to play that song. Alright, and as you get going, right, and your skills develop after a few months, we can start playing songs with like... Alright, which is great fun song to play. So with 4 chords, capo, working on the strumming hand, you get access to a lot of great songs that you can start playing. Alright, but we start off on the really easy one, something like Stand By Me, to get you up playing in 60 minutes or less. Now that you've seen how easy it can be to start playing your favourite songs, here's how you go about taking the next step. You can join my community, Campfire Guitar Superstars, and get immediate access to the Ultimate 4-Chord Songbook, and we can start making sure that you're going to be playing along with songs starting today. Just click this link here and let's get you strumming along to your favourite songs today. Remember, playing guitar, playing songs should be fun. It shouldn't be frustrating. And with the right approach, you can start enjoying your guitar journey from day one. So why wait? Join us in Campfire Guitar Superstars, get the Ultimate 4-Chord Songbook, and let's start playing songs for fun together.